Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo fire sign, this is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo fire sign. Messages for you. What are the messages for Leo? Under the deck, the Empress with Four of Swords. I think you are not talking with your person right now. You are undergoing some healing process. You are doing meditation to heal yourself or to forget the separation pain, and you are taking your control back. You are focusing on yourself, Leo. Yes, taking your control back, taking your power back. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Libra, Five of Wands and the Fool. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life because there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. So you are fed up with that energy. Maybe they are in and out of your life. There is no commitment. That's why maybe you decided to cut off this person. Maybe you give clarity to them and you decided to live in the present moment and you are going with the flow. In that type of energy you were in past. Yes. And for some there was some communication happened between you and your person, but there was lot of drama and lot of issues between you and your person. Then present, Queen of Cups, Death and Two of Wands. Yeah, for some it was one type of ending between you and your person, but you still have strong emotions towards this person, but you want to take your control back because maybe they played a game with you. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. For some you have options also, but you are thinking about them a lot. For some this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Scorpio or Libra especially. And future lovers, Page of Cups and the World. Yeah. So some cycles are going to be end between you and your person and some new cycles are going to be begin. Definitely there is love. For some it is more about physical attraction. And Page of Cups, I think you think it was ended between both of you, but they're trying to communicate with you again. They want to say apology to you. For some, children's also involved in this connection and your person is immature. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Libra, Gemini, Scorpio. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. You are doing healing. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. And you are taking, in near future you will be stand by your power. You are okay with or without this person. And Hermit under the deck, maybe the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. So they are undergoing some spiritual awakening process right now. So Leo, let's see their current feelings. Eight of Cups with Four of Pentacles. I think they want to express some feelings to you. In past, maybe they are having hard time to express their feelings to you because Four of Pentacles is straight. Maybe they want to leave behind everything which had happened between both of you in a wrong way, like negative things in your life. They want to leave behind. Yes, King of Pentacles, they want to offer stability. They're thinking about stability in this connection and they want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. And the Sun, I think children's, one person in this connection maybe could have kids and they are realizing that you are their happiness. Definitely they want brand new beginnings with you and they want to take leap of faith. For some, your person is financially very, very abundant. So let's see their intentions, Leo. Death, justice. I think, yeah, I already told you, you think it was over. It is not over. Definitely, they are coming back for second chances, justice, marriage, and they are missing you so much. Nine of Swords energy. They are losing their nights over you, thinking about you a lot. Especially when your person is alone, they are thinking about you a lot, Leo. And the Magician, maybe they're trying to manifesting you back. For some, your person may be a player also, manipulator type of energy, and Queen of Cups, but they have strong emotions towards you. Yeah, that's why they hurt you in past. Now they're coming back with an apology, and they are coming back for second chances. Justice, Libra. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome, Leo. Four of Cups with Four of Wands and Strength. It's your card and it's your reading, Leo. Maybe they're scared for rejection also. So they're feeling missed opportunity with you, but they want this happiness, Four of Wands, celebration. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. And this scared for rejection, maybe for some, your person is waiting for the right time, Wheel of Fortune under the deck. You are feeling sad and you are feeling stuck. You're also thinking about them a lot. I think you both are missing each other a lot, Leo, and you're also thinking about them. And this is a strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yes, you are also stuck thinking about them and they are also thinking about you. And Five of Cups, you are also feeling sad. Yeah, you both are manifesting each other. Yes, you both are manifesting reunion and Ten of Cups happiness. Yes. Maybe you both are in separation, but you both are thinking about each other, missing about each other and manifesting each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Leo. New love is coming. Okay. Soulmates. I want to be with you forever. Second chance. Yes, I already told you they are coming back. They're coming back for second chance. Don't leave me behind. And for some, this person may be a player. So the messages are new love is coming. Soulmates. For some, you both could be soulmates. And I want to be with you forever. Yes, they want to be with you forever. And don't leave me behind. Second chances. Yes. So they're saying don't leave me behind because they are coming back for second chances. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Leo. A new start is coming. And hold your vision, fixed moon. Yes, a new moon, new start is coming. Definitely for some, a new start is coming. For some, it could be take some time because right now they're missing you and they're manifesting you. And hold your vision. Maybe you're not seeing results right now. It is mean that it is not coming. It is wrong. Definitely it is coming. Hold your vision. Sometimes results may late, but results will come for sure. But hold your vision. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.